with blueberry vanilla syrup. Made these blueberry pancakes on the griddle. I thought maybe I want a little more blueberry. So here's what you do. 2 cups blueberries, 1.5 cups water, 1 cup sugar. Put in 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed grapefruit juice. I would have used 1 tablespoon of lemon juice if I had it, but I didn't. That was my substitute. And 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and we're cook that over a nice medium heat. Medium heat for about 10-12 minutes. It's going to start to bubble up after maybe 6 or 8. Once it gets going, you might even have to move it off a little to keep the bubbles from going over. But then turn it off, add 1 teaspoon vanilla, and the secret ingredient, love. Give that a good stir, and there you go. A nice little syrup there. See you on the flip burger side.